In this video, we will introduce equation. So what is an equation? An equation is basically a statement that two mathematical expressions are equal. For example, 2 plus 3 equals 5 is an equation. In this case, we are saying that the expression 2 plus 3 and the expression 5 are equal by connecting them using the equal sign. In algebra, equations contain variables and we want to determine their values that make the equation true. For example, in the equation 4x plus 1 equals 9, we want to determine the value of x that will make the equation true. The value of x that satisfies the equation is called the solution of the equation. In this case, x equals 2 is a solution. To show this, let us substitute 2 to x. So we have 4 times 2 plus 1 equals 9. 4 times 2 is 8, so we have 8 plus 1 equals 9. And 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So therefore, we see that 2 satisfies the equation. The process of finding the solutions of an equation is called solving the equation. Now let us talk about the properties of equality. The following are the basic properties of equality. We have reflexive property, symmetric property, transitive property, and substitution property. The reflexive property simply states that for any quantity A is equal to A. For example, 4 equals 4 and 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 3. The symmetric property states that if A equals B, then B equals A. For example, if 1 plus 2 equals 3, then 3 is equal to 1 plus 2. The transitive property states that if A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. For example, if 1 plus 2 equals 3 and 3 equals 4 minus 1, then 1 plus 2 equals 4 minus 1. And finally, the substitution property states that if A equals B, then f of A equals f of B. In other words, whatever you do on one side of the equation, do also on the other side. For example, let's say we have 5 equals 5. Now if we add 2 on the left-hand side, then we also have to add 2 on the right-hand side to make the equation true. Or, if we have 2 equals 2, and we multiply the left-hand side by 3, then we also have to multiply the right-hand side by 3 to make the equation true. So that's it for an introduction to equation. Thanks for watching.